So here's the rear platform. You can see the 4 ventilation holes on the top for the batteries in the water tank, and there are also handles for lifting out those 2 panels of the reinforced platform top. And for an alternative view, here's the platform from the inside. That's my Wi-Fi hotspot. There we go. Again, you can see the 4 handle holes / ventilation holes quite clearly, and makes it a lot easier. That used to be one solid piece, the platform top, when I had it as a bed in my apartment, but I ended up slicing it down the middle and added reinforcing 1x3 at those inside edges where they meet underneath to reinforce it more. The platform itself is constructed in a puzzle fashion, so kind of like a Tetris or something. You know, the blocks just fit together. There's no fasteners that hold the different parts of the platform together. Here's the platform from the rear of the trailer, right side up. Here you can see the top piece. It used to be one piece, and then I cut it down the middle to make it lighter. And you can see the ribs down the underside of the platform. Then I add the first piece, vertical. Then the second and third verticals. Fourth vertical. Fifth vertical. Sixth vertical next. And 7th vertical. And 8th vertical. And that's the platform finished. And you can see the U-shapes there that are cut out to reduce the weight of the platform totally. And there it is again, right side up. So here I'm going to show you how I remove the second platform top piece. And it's easy to get started right back here. There's a dividing board between the batteries that I'm able to step on. And I just lift up with the cutouts. And then raise it up, rotate, and there we go. Again, stepping on the vertical of the platform, bring it on out, and so here you see the ribs underneath. The outer ribs fit into, the 2 vertical outer ribs fit into cutouts in the vertical parts of the platform, as does the top horizontal long rib. That rib meets another rib on the other platform top piece, and those fit into cutouts in the verticals also. The short ribs, the 4 short ribs in the middle, the ends of those at the bottom there, those fit up against the side walls, the verticals of the platform again. So everything interlocks like a puzzle, just vastly increasing the stability and strength of the whole structure. Platform where the top halves off, you can see the 55-gallon water tank and other components. Okay, so here I've got the rear. Platform half, and I just bring it in, and I usually maneuver around to this side over here, and then lift up. And these ribs, all these ribs are held on by polyurethane hot melt glue. So they're super strong. There's no flexing in this platform top at all. So, slide it in like this. Just keep maneuvering and lowering as I go.
And there we go. And now it'll drop into that slot in the middle. There we go. And it's in. So, it's a perfect seam here in the middle. Again, this thing is rock solid, which I like very much. I don't like things flimsy, especially for a futon frame and the mattress on top. Just makes for a very stable sleeping surface. Feels like I'm sleeping on the ground. It's that stable.